Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as we all know, fall is coming upon us. So today's video is all about the perfect fall look. And as you know me, I like to be a little bit extra with my makeup. So it's not like completely like natural looking, but if you want it to look that way, I can tell you how to make it work for you. But I will explain that as we get into the video. So yeah, let's just start doing this. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by moisturizing using this Rock Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Daily Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put it on now. We're gonna do the face after the eyes, but I'm just gonna start now so that it can sink into my skin before I get started. I am really in need of some primer and some setting spray, but sometimes I get excited and I buy things I don't need. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's just the regular kind. It's not the super coverage kind, but I really love this stuff. It's super creamy and it's perfect like if you don't want a super matte finish, and it's awesome because even though it's like that, it's not that matte finish, it has like a lot of staying power, so that's why I like it a lot. And it just looks gorgeous on the skin. I noticed that I didn't scoot it in so you guys can see the one. Okay, I think that's better. So anyways, yeah, I just did concealer to prime my lids and we are ready to dive into the shadow. Okay, so today's look is a little different. I'm not doing like the basic thing I've done in every video where the crease is a bit darker. I'm going to do a more like smoky faded out look from the center of the eye. So with that being said, I'm just going to dive right in to this dark color right here called Cafecito in the Salvaje palette by Colourpop. And I'm going in with a brush that's firm but fluffy at the same time. It's just good for packing on eyeshadow. And yeah, you're just gonna pack that right onto the lid. I know it looks so dark, but I really want a good look. And just pack it on. And as you can see, the edges don't need to be perfect. They can be rough because we're totally gonna blend that out. Okay, next go in with a small blending brush and go into a lighter brown color. And for this, I'm going to use, hold on one second. I'm gonna go into the In the Flesh palette for this one. And I'm gonna use this slightly lighter brown color right here. Again, you don't need to use these same eyeshadows, just use anything that will work for you. And if you do want a more natural look with this, just go lighter with the colors, but the same concept. Start darker and go lighter. So grab that color and go right like in the crease at the end of where you did that shadow. Just like that, and you can see it's still rough, but this is the part where we're gonna blend it out and make it look all even. So now you're gonna go in with a lighter brown color, and this one is from the Colourpop palette as well, and it's in the shade Caramello, and it's that one right there. And just pop it, go a little bit higher, but not too high, and then just blend that out. Man, I love these shadows. To drag it out a bit, because I'm just like, I'm so sorry if I had that over the thing the whole freaking time. I'm so sorry. Okay. Anyways, just blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. And I'm just gonna go in back with the darkest brown color and just touch up, because we did blend a lot, and I just want to touch up the strength of this brown right there. And next, I'm just gonna go back into the In the Flesh palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here. It kind of has a shimmer to it, but it's also just a dark brown. I'm just going to tap that onto the center of the lid. Okay, so that is it for the top part of the eye. So I'm just going to go and finish the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Okay, we are back, and before I do the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. Well, at least my foundation, concealer, that kind of thing. Now just to finish the lower lash line, go back into the shade Caramello in the Colourpop palette and just buff that right under there. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face, bronzer, blush, highlight, all that. But I will just link all the products below so that you can see what I'm using, and if you want an in-depth video on the rest of my face and other stuff like that, just let me know. Contact me either on here or on Instagram. And okay, these earrings are literally killing my ears. Please ignore those. They're the magnetic kind. I couldn't find anything to match this outfit, so. Oh my gosh, that hurts so bad. Okay, I think I'm done wearing these forever. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, pop on some mascara, and pop on some falsies. These are the My Lash 3D Faux Cashmere Lash, and I've been wearing these, you guys, and I got them at TJ Maxx. They were super cheap, but they are so pretty. I love them. They like have that kind of like feathery, like fluffy look to them, and they don't look too dramatic, but they are so pretty. Okay, and now I'm going to go into highlight, and I'm going to use the Hard Candy highlighter and it's called Rose Gold Highlighter. That's all. So, right on my cheek. Right on my cheekbone. Ooh, that is so pretty. If you want a little bit more concentrated, like in the middle where the light really hits, just tap it on there instead of swiping it. A little bit on the nose, chin, forehead. And then just grab a small brush and go into it and hit the arch of your brow, as well as the inner corner. And Cupid's bow. Okay guys, now we're just gonna finish off by doing the lips. And I really just want it to be like a natural, like kind of juicy lip. So I'm going to use a lipstick that has kind of a shiny sheen to it, and it's from Estee Lauder, and it's in the color Pink Berry. Usually, lipstick on the teeth as always. But anyways, I would usually, like, you know, use the setting spray and stuff, but I'm out. But you work with what you got, right? So yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I love it a lot. In fact, I think it's one of my favorite looks to date. I just love how it just has fall time vibes written all over it. Oh, lipstick on my teeth again. Oh my gosh. Welcome to my channel. But anyway, as I was saying, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and leave a comment so we can chat it up or whatever. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.